Hello Internet. I bought this motherboard on eBay for 50 bucks recently that's supposed to have some broken pins on the CPU socket. If we look at the socket, we can clearly see that some of the pins are bent, but one is completely broken off. While bent pins can be fixed, the broken pin is much harder to fix, so I decided to replace the entire socket. The process of this is very simple. You want to remove the backplate from the motherboard, set it on a warmer, and get it hot to maybe 150-200 C. Any capacitors or coils on the side should be protected, otherwise there's a risk of explosion, as you will see later. Once the board is hot and ready, I will saturate the entire socket with plenty of flux. Then I will throw in a temperature probe in the middle so I can monitor the temperatures of the actual working area and proceed with the typical GPU core removal process. To my surprise, this took a lot more heat than the removal of the core, so I guess don't be afraid to apply extra heat if needed. As you would expect, I would now mix the leftover solder with leaded solder and wick off the pads. And while the board is still hot, I will place a new socket on there, get it perfectly aligned, and repeat the exact same heat cycle as I did before, except this time I heard a loud pop. The capacitor on the right had had enough and it exploded, so I guess Kapton tape isn't the best heat insulation. In any case, I've already replaced the capacitor and installed the backplate and installed the CPU and memory, so let's try to boot and see what we get. And there we go, we have a picture. That means the repair was a success, and at the time of this recording I've used this board for a few GPU repairs already. And that's it for this short video. I hope you guys learned something today, and if you did, hit me with the like button and I'll see you later. Goodbye.